Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a beer battered hake recipe that we are going to make into fish taco later on. Firstly, we are going to start off by marinating our hake. Here I have 300 grams of hake that I cut into finger width. Thereafter, I'm going to use a teaspoon of garlic salt, a sprinkle of fish spice, a grain of black pepper, a grain of salt, and a sprinkle of paprika, and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. Thereafter, I'm going to use the juice of half a lemon. This is my garlic salt. I'm going to use a teaspoon. And my fish spice, black pepper. I'm going to use very little salt because my fish spice and the garlic salt has salt. A sprinkle of paprika and also some lovely mixed herbs to it. I'm going to give this all a good mix, and thereafter I'm going to cover and keep for about 20 minutes. I am ready to mix my batter. For my batter, I have 1 cup of flour. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of baking powder and a sprinkle of mixed herbs, a grain of black pepper, a grain of salt, and here is my beer, which I'm going to measure with my cup and see how much I want to use. So to my flour, I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then some mixed herbs, black pepper, and salt. And mix these dry ingredients together. This is a 330 ml bottle. I'm going to measure with my cup. And then gradually I'm going to put it into my flour. I will give this a mix and see how is the thickness. This batter is still a little thick, so I'm going to add in more to the flour. So this is enough. Now my batter seems to be fine. So all in all, it's most likely a cup of beer with the froth. 20 minutes has passed for my fish to be marinated. And here I have about 3 centimeter oil heated up. So I'm going to start by frying my fish. I'm going to use my hands and dip my fish into the batter. I'm going to do 3 at a time. So coat the batter through the fish. And put it into my hot oil. I'm just going to turn my heat down a little. Wash my hands quickly. Now my fish is gone nice and golden brown. So I'm ready to take this batch off. And thereafter I'll continue with the rest in the same manner till I'm done. Now I'm ready to assemble my fish tacos. Here I have soft shell tacos that I toasted on my tawa, and I spreaded a little mayonnaise on. So to my mayonnaise, I'm going to use my hands, it's more comfortable. I'm going to place in my battered fish. To that, I'm going to add in the samples that I just made. To my samples, just going to sprinkle in some lettuce. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to pour in a little hot sauce on top. There you go, your lovely fish tacos with some nice beer battered hake. Thank you all very much for watching. Now the official taste taster will give the fish tacos a taste.
Hi guys, it's me again, here to enjoy some of the rewards as being the cameraman. So we're going to have our fish tacos that my mom made. We're going to give it a try. It's very yummy. The fish is nice and moist, and the batter is crunchy, and I think the taco itself is well balanced with the salsa that my mom made and the fresh lettuce and the mayonnaise. So it's a very simple taco, but very delicious with the fresh beer battered hake. So we're going to tuck in and enjoy the rest of it.